Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the interval of convergence. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to apply about root test. So that means I will put about an first. You will go about this one. Next, we have an plus 1. So in this situation, we just put number 1 in here because we just add more than 1 unit for n and number 1 in here. Now we put inside the limit and we go to positive infinity and we have the absolute value of an plus 1 over an. Next, we put this one go in here and this one go in here. So this one I will put about negative 6s to the power of n multiplied by negative 6s. So we simplify negative 6s to the power of n on numerator and denominator. Now we need to arrange. So we put this one go to numerator from here. And you will got like this. Next, we divide by the square root of n on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about 1. The square root of n go inside in here and we will got about the square root of n plus 1 over n. N divided by n, 1 divided by n. So you got about 1 plus 1 over n. So when n go to positive infinity, this one go to 0, 0 and 0. So we will got about negative 6s. And we know that we want to find convergence. So convergence when this one is smaller than number 1. And now we just open the absolute value and you got about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we divide both sides by negative number 6 because we divide this one you got about negative, but we divide this one you got about positive. So in this situation, you got about from negative number 1 over 6 to positive 1 over 6. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.